Welcome back to the videos. One up. One up, one up, one up. I guess if I keep doing that, it's not one up, it's lots of ups. 7 ups. Not sponsored.
Hey!
But you could.
Yeah.
7 up. Oh, seriously?
Huh.
No,
It's a
that's
weird
right.
box.
That's okay.
Today is brought to you by the weirdest box ever. What the heck?
I did open it the wrong way. Oh well.
Ooh. Another knitted
It's
turtle.
Donatello.
Don't you have like another Donatello?
I think I have Michelangelo.
I think you have Michelangelo and him.
Well, I need to get all 4. Eventually. What's that?
Wonder Woman. Wow, that's really cool.
That is cool.
It's a sticker. We can put it on our
Sticker
wall.
wall.
But that is a really cool Wonder Woman.
Oh, they're so cute, whatever they are.
They're Pokemons, but they're still cute. I have to iron
Journey.
it.
Journey is
Way to go.
the theme. Finding Dory. I found her
It's a keychain.
keychain with a bunch of little
Bunch
Let's
of
see
little
what it is.
stuffs.
Right there if you can see it. Oh, look at the little picture. Like in a fish bowl.
Oh, this is kind of cute. It almost looks like a bracelet charm type of
Oh
thing.
yeah. It does. That
But
does
it's a
look cute.
keychain.
Now let's see what this is.
Yeah.
Its sizes are weird. Like that one seems smaller than this one. I don't know.
Everything is weird. What?
It's like Wonder Woman or
Yeah, Wonder Woman.
a turtle.
Yep, a turtle. One of the Ninja Turtles. A Squirtle. And I think it's Dory.
And oh yeah, Dory in a fish bowl. That's
Cute!
cool. It's like everything that we got in the shirt.
That's cute.
Huh. That's cool. I wonder if it glows in the dark. It would probably say
Glow in the dark. It'd probably say on here.
glow in the dark. No. Come on, Loot Crate, have some glow in the dark shirts. Please.
Loot Crate.
1 up.
Loot Crate
And
too.
Loot Crate.
Yeah.
Just have glow in the dark shirts, everyone. Because
Yeah.
glow in the dark, glow in the dark is cool.
It is. But I really like that sticker. That's like really cool.
That is really cool. Put that.
I
on
would
our-
I would actually have this as a tattoo.
That'd be one big tattoo
I'd probably get it on my like leg.
on your face.
No, that wouldn't work. I could put it on my neck, but
Oh, that would be
neck
weird.
tattoos would.
Especially on your throat. Yeah. So anyways, that's 1 up box.
Yep.
We still have the Game Girly
Well,
monthly, but that one hasn't come yet. It'll probably come today, of course, because we did videos.
of course, that always happens.
Anyways, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and tell your friends.
And
Like
your
we're weird.
mothers and your fathers and your grandparents.
Yes, that we are weird, because it's the truth.
Mhm. Yep, we are weird.
But that's okay. It's okay to be weird.
Yep. Unless, it's not okay, then I don't know, wherever you live, you gotta just say, no, it's fine. It's good to be weird.
Yep.
It's good for you.
Weird is good for you. That should be a shirt.
That should be sure.
So anyways, see you in our next video. Bye.